and welcome to ReturnGO. Today we'll show you how to integrate your return portal into your store. Let's get started. So on the left side of your ReturnGO dashboard, go to Settings, Integrations, Products and Services. In the Shopify integration section, look for Enable Integration to your Shopify store. Turn the switch on and click Save to apply the changes. On this page, you can also customize your return portal URL over here. Click on Customize URL. Adjust the ending of the URL to whatever you want. It could be returns, return portal, return, etc. Then you can copy your return portal URL and add it to your store wherever you like to make it easily accessible for customers. You can add the link to your menu, footer, product pages, confirmation emails, or anywhere else. The return portal URL can also easily be found at any time on the home page of your ReturnGO dashboard. Just click on Home and scroll down. There it is. You can copy it and add it to your store wherever you want. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your return portal into your store. Thanks for watching.